Hello everyone and welcome to Wonderful Internet. Let's begin. This man's boat was sinking into the water, and this is how he made sure he was the last one to leave, with all his friends watching behind the scene and laughing. This cat just didn't want to make efforts to get down the stairs, and so figured out an easy way to get the job done with least effort. The person on the right, with the help of his friend, displays an incredible amount of fake strength to the person on the left and makes him believe that he's stronger than him.
Isso aqui, ó. Você entra, puxa. Ok. Eu não consigo também não. Você vai, como é que tu faz? Segura lá em cima.
A woman helps his friend, bound by a wheelchair, to successfully perform a backflip using a pole. Here's a funny bet commercial where a man first seems to have a serious fight with the villain, but in the end it turns out to be something else. A person tries kicking snow but ends up losing his shoe.
Oh, my shoe. No! You're dead ass right now.
This might just have been the most craziest frisbee throw ever, where a professional player managed to throw a pizza from a house into another house's microwave, which was 70 feet away. Here's a cannon that was created to help salmon fishes during spawning, when these fishes often encounter obstacles like dams that they cannot overcome. A fish slides inside it and then flies away at a distance up to 70 meters, and the rate of firing is 1 fish every second and is made completely safe for the fishes. When a monkey got injured, a group of 2 monkeys quickly came for the rescue. You should really think again if you're deciding to become a delivery guy and you're scared of dogs. This person got scared and overreacted a bit even when the dog he encountered was not furious and attacking him. When a person caught a chicken, all the other chickens that were running around simply freezed after watching it. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.